Everyone. So today's video's agenda is to let you guys know how to register your teams and start with PRARAMBH 2025 Hack Challenge. So if you have not registered it yet, so this is the main portal, which is hackathon.allsoftsolution.in. So after you have landed on this website, you can just go ahead and click on about to know about this challenge more, and otherwise you can go and also check all this explore project and enable sessions. So also some FAQs are mentioned here. So what you have to do is, first of all, if you have not registered yet, so you have to first of all come up with team members of minimum 4 and maximum 5. So after you have come up with the team members, what you have to do is go to explore project, and from here you have to search through all the problem statements that are mentioned. So what you have to do is you have to click on one, or you have to select one. So let's say I selected this AI driven career counseling system for students. So if this is something that is appealing to me, I'll click on no more. After that, you can just read about it more here, and if you are sure about that this is the problem statement that you and your team want to go ahead with, then you can click on register your team. So if you have not registered yet, then you will click on register your team, and if you have registered your team or registered yourself, then you will click on login. So let's click on register your team. So this is the UI that you will be seeing. So as a team leader, you will be filling out this detail. So team name, whatever team name that you have come up with, and team leader's name, team leader's email ID, university domain ID, contact number, and the problem statement that you have selected before, you have to give it from here. Password, set a password and confirm the password. Your 10th marks, 12th marks, university, institute name, branch name, stream, and current semester. And if you have any active backlogs, you can go ahead and select from here yes or no. Then after you have entered the captcha code from here, you can click on I have read and understood all the submission guideline, and then this button will be activated for you to register your team. So this is the first one is for the team leader, and so here you will be seeing another option to add new member. As I told you that 4 is the minimum number of team members you can have, and 5 is the maximum. So from here you can also, by clicking on this, you can add your other team members details such as name, email ID, university domain ID, and everything. So like this, same where you can add 1 2 3 and 4, like this you can add. So if you don't want to do it from here, so there's another option which we'll see after you have logged in. So let's click on login. So here I'll just use an email ID and your password, then click on login. So after you have logged in, you will see this dashboard. So here the problem statement will be the problem statement that you have selected beforehand. So for me, let's say I've selected this AI powered chatbot for government schemes. So this is what is showing to me. And this another option is team. So you can see here the option of adding team members is coming here. So as we saw in the beforehand, in while registering your team, you can see it from there, and also you can register your team from here. So after you have added, let's say, your 3 team members, so team 1 team leader and 3 members, so that makes 4 members team, or you can add here 4, so that will be 5 members team. So after you have added all the team members details, it will be visible here as you can see, and this is mandatory. You have to add 4, at least 4 members for the next year to go into the next stage. So what will be the next stage is whatever problem statement that you have selected, you have to work on that and have to come up with solution, and you have to create a file in PPT format. So where you can upload is from here. So if you can see, I went to the problem statement, then from here the option of view is here. I clicked, and here you can see the upload solution button. Okay, so this button will not be visible to you, or I can say that it will not be accessible to you if you have not added 4 members, minimum of 4 members detail. So make sure you add minimum 4 and maximum 5 members detail for this button to get uploaded, activated. So another thing which is basically mandatory beside the 4 members is this button. You can see access IBM. So how did IBM courses, how did I went here is, first of all, problem statement, then click on view and click on this access IBM courses. So once I click on this, this will take me to another new website. So the purpose of this is basically that you and your team members has to get IBM certificates. So these courses are helpful for you to take participating in this hackathon. So as you can see here, there will be lots of courses mentioned like backend development, like career management essentials, but the one course that is basically mandatory for all of you to do is this artificial intelligence fundamentals. So this is the one thing that will be like useful for you, and other courses are also available for you to take, and you can also obtain those certificates, but the mandatory one is artificial intelligence and fundamentals, and this is mandatory for you as well as your team members. So let's click on start learning. So after I click on start learning, it will tell me to log in. So I've already logged in here, so you can just go ahead here and click on login, and or not login, sorry, you'll be clicking on signing up. So here you can just select anything, like just call us scale programs and click on sign up, and then it will take you to this page. You can just click on sign up with Google, which is the easiest part. So after you have signed up, you can see the courses here. So this is the main course that you have to do, artificial intelligence fundamentals. Here you can see there will be 6 more courses underneath this main course. So you have to complete all of these 6 courses to get this certificate. You have to complete all the 6 courses underneath the main course, which is artificial intelligence fundamentals, to get this certificate. And you and your team members, the team leader and the team members, all of 4 or 5 of you has to complete this certificate in order to move forward to the next stage. So after you have obtained the certificate and have created the solution PPT, you can go ahead and click on upload solution. So it will tell me that congratulations, we have appreciated your dedication and hard work. Because this is, I have already uploaded the solution, so you can expect something like this. So here you can see this is the UI you will be seeing. So submit assignment. Phase 1 will be your idea submission and PPT. So it will be in PPT in PDF format. So here you can upload your solution PPT and IBM skill build training certificate. As you can see, this is mandatory. So here the team leader will be uploading their certificate. So second one, here you will be uploading your certificate as the team leader, and additional IBM skill build training certificate. So this was optional, but this is also mandatory. Here you can go ahead and upload 4 more certificates or 3 more certificates of your team members. So you have to upload 3 or 4 more certificate of your team members here. So this is mandatory. So all these 3 fields are mandatory for you to upload your solution and move ahead in the second phase. So let's go back here. So after you have uploaded, your solution will be sent to the judges and they will be seeing your solution, and if they think that your solution is fit, then they will like take you through the next stage. And after they have selected you, so you can expect something like this, which will be submitting your project URL. So you have to upload your project in a GitHub, and the link you have to paste it here. So your actual project you will be posting it on GitHub, and the link you will be posting it here. So at any stage, if you think that you don't know what is the submission guideline, so you can also go ahead in this main portal again after, and you can say I'm logged in. If I scroll below, you will see there is an option called submission guideline. You can click on here, and then you can go through all the submission guidelines. You can see project submission instructions are there, and here you can see what are the things that is mandatory. You can see, so this is also, you have to upload a demo video guidelines, so demo video for your project. So the guidelines for that also is mentioned, GitHub link, submission format. So all of these things are mentioned that you have to follow while you will be uploading your project in GitHub. So this is very important, so you have to go through this after you have done with the first phase. So where you can find it, again I will show you. This is the main page, and you have to scroll at the bottom, and you can see this is the option submission guideline. Click on this to access the guidelines. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and to wrap it up, I'll just go through it again. First, you have to create a team of 4 or 5, 4 being the minimum and 5 being the maximum. Then after that, you have to choose the problem statement, and then you have to register your team. You have to register your team. After you have done registering 4 members team minimum, then only the solution PPT uploading that button will be active, and you can go ahead and upload that solution PPT. And with that, another thing that is mandatory is for you to get IBM certificate, which will be the AI fundamental certificate for the team leader as well as the other members as well. And after you have uploaded, your solution will be going to the judges. They will be checking it, and then you will be moving forward to the next stage if the judges think you are fit to move forward in the next stage. And then after that, you can start working on the project. So this was the video. Thank you.